Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, the channel where we make tech tricks simple and fun. If you just updated to iOS 18, you have to check out the new Calculator app. It is way more powerful than you think. In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step on how to unlock its hidden features, including built-in scientific calculator, math notes, and the new history tracker. Stick around, you will never use your calculator the same way again. Here's an overview of what we will cover. Step 1. Open the calculator. Step 2. Use the upgraded basic mode. Step 3. View your calculation history. Step 4. Switch to scientific mode. Step 5. Try out math notes. Step 6. Switch back anytime. Alright, let us get started. Step 1. Open the calculator. First things first, open up your calculator like you normally would. At first glance, it looks the same, right? But trust me, there is a lot more waiting here. Step 2. Use the upgraded basic mode. Start typing any numbers. You will notice your full equation now stays on screen instead of replacing each number like before. This is super helpful when you are doing longer math. And look at this, we finally have a back button. So if you mess up, you can easily fix just one number instead of clearing the whole thing. Little feature, huge time saver. Step 3. View your calculation history. Next, check out this awesome new trick. Look at the top left corner. See that little icon? Tap it. Now you get a full history of all your calculations. Scroll through everything you did. Tap Edit to remove individual ones, or clear the whole list in one go. No more redoing math you already did. So good. Step 4. Switch to scientific mode. Now for the real power, tap the calculator icon at the bottom and switch to scientific calculator. Before, you had to rotate your phone sideways to get these advanced functions. But now, you get parentheses, exponents, and more with just one tap. Perfect for homework, finance, or any big equations. And yes, the back button still works here too. Step 5. Try out math notes. And here's my favorite part, math notes. Tap that calculator icon again and choose math notes. Here, you can actually write out your equations by hand. So let's say I draw 2 plus 2 equals, watch this. It reads my handwriting and solves it instantly, even if your handwriting is messy like mine. It is surprisingly accurate. If something looks off, just tap to fix it. It even shows you highlights for mistakes. Math Notes is perfect if you like sketching things out instead of typing, and it feels futuristic too. Step number 6. Switch back anytime. If you want to switch back to the basic or scientific calculator, just tap that same icon and pick your mode. Everything is super seamless. No extra apps, no rotation, just tap and go. So there you have it. That is how to master the new iOS 18 calculator. Full history tracker, built-in scientific mode, math notes for handwritten equations. Give this a try. I promise you'll never look at your calculator the same way again. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Got questions or cool tricks of your own? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick iOS 18 tips and hidden features. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you into the next one. Happy calculating. Bye for now.